Hello guys and welcome back to Okra Gel. This video is about hair care. I have been frequently asked many questions regarding my hair care routine and how I style my hair and what products I use for my hairstyling. I have tried almost every product available in the market for my hairstyling, and believe me, all the products have big time disappointed me. Plus, the chemical contents of those products have damaged my hair beyond repair. Since a long time, I have been making my own hairstyling products at home using all natural ingredients, and you can see the results. In this video, I am going to share one of my secret ingredients for hairstyling. So let's begin. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon first. Okay, so that secret ingredient is Okra Gel. Okra is also known as lady's finger and bhindi in Hindi. So in this video, I am going to demonstrate how to make your okra hairstyling gel, how to use it and how to preserve it for a long. So let's begin. Usually whenever I make okra for my lunch or dinner, I don't throw away the top and bottom part. Instead, I boil them in water to create this gel. See, this is so easy and effective. This gel not only makes my curls well defined and shiny, but also nurtures my hair deeply. Okra has many vitamins and minerals which are very beneficial for hair. I have mentioned all the benefits in the description box below. You too try this okra gel and tell me about it in the comments. If you have any questions regarding this, feel free to ask me. I hope you find this video helpful. Please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the further updates. See you all in my next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.